In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone and camera not working in Microsoft Teams. If you've joined a meeting and nobody can see or hear you, don't worry. We're going to walk through the main settings you need to check so you can get everything up and running again. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the app window for your profile picture or initials. Click on that, then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Devices. This is where Teams manages your microphone, speakers, and camera. On the Devices page, look for the section labeled Audio Devices. From the drop-down, make sure the correct device is selected, especially if you're using a headset or external microphone. Below that, you'll see separate options for speaker and microphone. Open each drop-down and choose the specific device you want to use. If you're not sure which one is correct, pick the one that matches the name of your headset or the built-in device for your computer. Now, test your microphone. In the same Devices section, look for the option to make a test call or check if there's a volume bar that moves when you speak. Talk in a normal voice. If the bar lights up or moves, that means Teams is detecting your microphone. If not, try a different microphone option from the list and test again. Next, let's check your camera. Still in Settings, scroll down to the Camera section. Choose your camera from the drop-down. You should see a live preview if the camera is working. If the preview is black or Teams says it cannot find a camera, try selecting another device in the list. If there's no other option, your system might not be detecting the camera at all. So make sure it's plugged in properly or enabled on your laptop. Before joining a meeting, Teams also gives you a chance to double-check these settings. When you click to join, you'll see a pre-join screen with toggles for your camera and microphone. Turn them on and confirm you can see your own video and that your microphone is not muted. If you still have issues, close Teams completely and reopen it. Then repeat these checks. Often a quick restart, along with choosing the correct devices in the Teams settings, is enough to solve microphone and camera problems so you can participate fully in your meetings.